Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm looking at the 2025 product catalogue just released by ICM, and what a lot there is to see. Remember, if you like the video, please do give it the imperial thumbs up, click on the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. It's free and it's a great way to show your support. Let's make a start. I think for many people, the thing we knew was coming but are happy to have confirmed is the 1/48 scale Handley Page Hamden. This will be available as the B Mark I bomber and also as the TB1 torpedo bomber. Future versions might include the Dagger-engined Hereford. Also sporting a torpedo is the latest version of ICM's excellent Bristol Beaufort. This is a Mark 1/8 with Yagi aerials and Coastal Command colours. There will be more versions of the Marauder as well. There will be the B-26G, the B-26F and the Marauder Mark III in RAF and South African colours. These will be supported with new crew figures and a new airfield set. From Germany, the Henschel HS-129 is coming in the B1 and the B2 versions in 1/48 scale, and there are some new part releases of the Dornier DO-217K1 and 217M1 at the same scale. There are also two new markings releases of German bombers in captured Allied markings, a Junkers 88 and a Heinkel HE-111. The latter is an aircraft now at the RAF Museum at Hendon. From latter conflicts are the OV-10D Night Observation Gunship variant of the Bronco attack aircraft, with its characteristic gun turret beneath the rear fuselage, and a selection of new Black Hawk helicopters. There is the American UH-60A transport, a UH-60A from Defense Intelligence of Ukraine, and an MH-60 from Operation Gothic Serpent in Mogadishu in 1993, subject of the movie Black Hawk Down. There will also be a set of crew figures. To other scales, and in 1/32 scale, the long-awaited Henschel 123 should be arriving this year with three versions planned: an early version, a late version, and a version from the Condor Legion of the Spanish Civil War. The 1/32 scale Tiger Moth will be re-released as well, this time with markings for aircraft from Belgium, France, the USA, Portugal, and Sweden. A further release from the CH-54A Tahi series is planned, this time the civilian Sikorsky S-64E Skycrane in 1/35 scale, which will also be available with a universal pod. Finally, for aircraft, the MiG-29 is being reissued in 1/72 scale as a Ukrainian aircraft with JDAM ER bombs. Also, there's an F-16AM with some PAG-14 runway paving. Really not sure where the F-16 base kit comes from though. Onto vehicles now, and in 1/24 scale there are two new versions of the Ford Model A, one in full gangster trim and one as a Gaz A in German service. There are new parts reissues of the Panzerspähwagen P204 as a command vehicle and the G9170 with a 2cm flat 38 gun on the back. There's also another addition to the half-track range with the Sonderkraft Fahrzeug 251 Model 1 version B. Monty's Office Caravan should be available this year as well, based on the Leyland Retriever truck. The figures are already available. There is a new 1/35 scale set of Ukrainian drone hunters using missiles or the 12.7mm Dushka M gun, something which can be mounted on vehicles such as this ZIL 131, which will be available later in the year with crew figures. In 1/72 scale, there's a new Bradley M2 and a Bradley M3. These are most likely reboxed Revell kits with Ukrainian markings and maybe some new parts. Likewise, the Schützenpanzer Marauder, also previously released by Revell. Finally, a reminder with the launch of the second series that ICM has three figures from the Squid Game in 1/16 scale. That's all for now. Do check out the catalogue online, and I hope you find some interesting and challenging kits this year. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.